All right, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Now, you can see that we grinded down this rust hole. Okay. Now, just keep in mind, okay, the way you tackle a project depends on your end goal. Now, if this is going to be a sentimental project of yours, a build, you might want to cut this out and spot weld a new piece of sheet metal in here. Okay. And we show you how to do that in our other VIP courses at learnautobodyandpaint.com. But in this instance, this is an old work van. Okay, we're just gonna patch it with fiberglass. So what I normally do if I'm gonna patch with sheet metal is you at least want to kill the rust. Okay, you could use a navel jelly. You look up any rust inhibitor navel jelly. You can find them on Amazon, eBay, your local auto body supply store. It's like a little jelly. After you grind it like this, you just dab it on easy, and then you scuff it with 80 grit, and then you could do your patching, your welding, or you could do your fiberglass, okay, or your body filler straight up if you're just gonna do a body filler job, okay? There's multiple ways to do it. Here you can see you have a very little, it's like a very little rust hole. So before doing any type of filling, you wanna make sure you tap it down so you have a little area, a pocket, so to say, that the filler can fill, okay? I'm just gonna, you can see how when you tap it, it cracks open, right? It's no problem. We're gonna tap around it. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now we could put our filler on it and then block it straight, and it'll fill. You'll be good, okay? You can treat it from the back side with undercoating. All right, that's recommended. Okay, but again, you would want to put a navel jelly on it. Same thing, what we're gonna do here is just tap it down a little bit. Not too much. So it's pushed down. Now we can actually fill this with some fiberglass and block it straight. Okay, now if you look underneath, okay, you can grind all that down and put some undercoating on it. Okay, I would grind all this down. Again, it depends on the quality of work you're gonna be doing. We're not gonna be doing a crazy quality. We just wanna put a nice outer sealed paint job on the outside of this thing. When we're done, we could give this whole underneath an undercoating. Okay, I don't actually think I'm gonna go that far, but I'll probably show you a section where we just do undercoating. That's pretty much it. Now we can fill it with body filler. Again, if you wanna learn how to sheet metal and spot weld, we have videos in VIP that actually show you sheet metal patches over holes like this. All right, so the rule of thumb when doing any type of body filler is you're gonna put about 6 to 8 drops of hardener per golf ball size of body filler or the kitty hair that we're doing right over here. Any more, you're just gonna have to work faster, okay? So you could put 12 to 15 drops if you want. You're just gonna have to work with it quicker, lay it on quicker, because it's just gonna dry a lot faster. So it's okay to put more than not enough, because if you don't put enough hardener in it, then you're going to be really playing with yourself for a while, and sometimes if it doesn't, sometimes it won't even tack up and you're just going to have to remove it. Yeah, it's plugged in. See what I mean by not having a good connection? So if you're not having a good connection, what you should do is just twist it. Twist it. Maybe we'll do one more. See, and if they're in the way, just bend it out of the way. Okay. Hold pressure on it. So keep in mind, this is a quickie job. If it was a sentimental build or a customer maybe, you know, you can easily weld a pin in between the pins and pull more, you know, get more metal out so you got less filler on the overall job, you know, but it's all good because we filled it, came out great. Keep watching, and we'll get to the putty process very soon. Okay, you hold it too long, you're gonna burn a hole. Not enough. When you pull it, it'll snap right off. And after you're done, you give it a quick twist to release. Okay, it comes out really quick like that. So you always want to hold pressure. So you put it in, you lock it. Once you lock it, you keep pressure on this arm, pulling out, so it doesn't slip out, okay? And then you pull. And then you twist, out. Cut these off, grind it, fill it, it's already grinded. We already have 80 grit around here. Coat a putty, shape it with 80 grit, and you're done. That simple, and then prime it. You bend them toward the side like that so you can get to it, okay? You get to it like that, and you just twist. This right here feels a little high, okay? You hold the metal so it doesn't flex, because if you just do it like that, no good. You want to hold the metal, give it a little bit of tension on there, okay? Don't tap too much. You feel it. Feel with your hand. I know the dimple is right here. Push. Feels good. Okay? Simple. So if you're working in an area where it's super flexible, because we really have nothing, there's probably one bolt over here holding this inner fender in, and it's super flexible like this, right? You want to make sure you hold it, have somebody help you, and then you pull it out. Okay, so we pretty much did our job there. Boom, bend it out of the way. Get your dike, twist, it's out, hit that with your grinder, body fill it, shape it, done, 80 grit. Start from the bottom to up or top to bottom, whatever you want to do. And you don't want to overdo it, you do a little at a time to strengthen the metal. Here's a controversial topic. I get a lot of people telling me, oh, Tony, don't mix on cardboard, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I have never had any problems mixing body filler on cardboard. Now, it's not my first choice. It's my choice now because I don't have my glass mixing table with me. I've never had any issues at all in my life mixing body filler and cardboard. You're gonna hear a lot of people on YouTube saying, oh, you gotta get the ink, blah, blah, blah. okay, whatever. When getting started here, you want to make sure you mix your body filler, even though it looks good and even though you don't have a light glaze on the top. Okay, this looks really good. Still, you want to mix it from the edge. Another thing is, with your spreader, you want to make sure there's no like plastic fibers hanging out or chips or nicks in it. What I like to do is I'll use like my work pants or jeans or whatever, and I'll go like this. You can see some of the plastic come off on my pants there, but it really smoothens out. So when you lay, you don't have any markings or streaks. I'm supposed to blow it off, but